An update from Paul Whelan's family tonight. They tell us there's considerable concern about Paul's health as he remains behind bars in a Russian prison. And there are some State Department developments leaving his family concerned about his chances for an early release. Local 4's Rod Maloney is live tonight with the very latest. Rod.
Yeah, good evening, Karen. You know, Paul Whelan has spent the last several years in Russian prisons, having been convicted on espionage for a Christmas visit a few years back. But he spent the last 2 weeks in a labor camp hospital because he's got issues with his arm. But he's been moved back now to the main, the prison that he's been in, his major prison. And his brother says that he's deeply concerned about his health going forward. Paul has experienced what his brother David characterizes as a repetitive stress injury to his elbow for the past year. In one of his occasional phone conversations with his parents, Paul recently told them he has something like bursitis or tendonitis, which has him wearing a sling to keep his arm immobile. His arm is improving after his hospital stay, but he's still getting help from other inmates with things like carrying his soup bowl in the cafeteria at lunchtime. It was only a few weeks ago there had been some small hope that Paul Whelan might be home by now. The attempts to free WNBA basketball star and similarly convicted felon Brittany Griner included him. But that hope appears to have faded after the Russian government wanted quiet diplomacy. And now we've learned of a major change in the American embassy, causing the Whelan family deep concern. The Biden administration moved on from our ambassador to Russia, John Sullivan. He'd served both the Trump and Biden administrations. The Whelan family tonight is saying of Sullivan, quote, "There is no way to express our gratitude for his support and advocacy on Paul's behalf." Ambassador Sullivan went to extraordinary lengths in Paul's case. His advocacy for Paul was frequent and vocal both in Moscow and in Washington, D.C. State Department employees rotate, and this is not unexpected, although it is disappointing. There is no way to know how Ambassador Sullivan's departure may impact the U.S. government's offer to the Russian government for a prisoner exchange, end quote. Now, we got more clarity this afternoon on why Ambassador Sullivan retired, and he did. It is because his wife, who has been suffering with cancer for quite some time, died today. And so he is now moving on. A woman by the name of Elizabeth Rood, who is the deputy of mission to Russia, is now going to take his position until the Biden administration nominates a new ambassador. Reporting live, Rod Malone, Local 4.
All right. Thank you, Rod.